Ever felt like your money is trapped? Like you're staring at your investment account, desperate to access your funds, but it's like they vanished into thin air? Welcome to the frustrating world of investment withdrawals. Today, we're diving deep into the common reasons why you might be facing trouble withdrawing your money from Stashaway and what you can do about it. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's be clear, there are legitimate reasons why your withdrawal might be delayed. Stashaway, like most investment platforms, has procedures in place to protect your funds and ensure smooth operations. But sometimes, things can get a little sticky. Reason number 1, withdrawal limits and cooling off periods. Many investment platforms, including Stashaway, have withdrawal limits in place. These limits can vary depending on factors like your account type, investment history, and the amount you're trying to withdraw. Some platforms also have cooling off periods, meaning you might need to wait a certain number of days before you can access your funds. Reason number 2, market volatility. If the market is experiencing significant volatility, your withdrawal request might be temporarily delayed to ensure that your investments are sold at a fair price. This is a protective measure to prevent you from making impulsive decisions that you might regret later. Reason number 3, account verification issues. Incomplete or inaccurate account information can cause major headaches when it comes to withdrawals. Ensure your personal details, contact information, and identification documents are all up to date. Missing information can trigger security checks and delay your withdrawal. Reason number 4, technical glitches. Let's face it, even the most sophisticated platforms can experience occasional technical glitches. These glitches can cause delays in processing withdrawals, but they are usually resolved quickly. Reason number 5, security holds. If Stashaway suspects any unusual activity on your account, they might place a temporary hold on your withdrawals as a security measure. This could be triggered by things like suspicious login attempts or large, unexpected transactions. What to do when you encounter issues? If you're facing trouble withdrawing your money from Stashaway, don't panic. Here's what you should do. Check the Stashaway Help Center. Most common issues and their resolutions are usually outlined here. Contact Stashaway support. Reach out to their customer support team via email, phone, or chat. They are usually quite responsive and can help you troubleshoot the issue. Review your account activity. Carefully review your recent account activity to identify any potential red flags that might have triggered a security hold. Important note, remember that investment withdrawals can sometimes take time. Be patient, and if you're concerned about a significant delay, don't hesitate to reach out to Stashaway for clarification. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.